So guys, a complete review of the yet unreleased Google Pixel 3 XL appeared online last week, just to be followed by another full-scale review a day later. They both concentrated on a bigger phone, saying nothing about the vanilla Pixel 3. Lo and behold, several days later, live images of the phone finally appeared on Reddit, and by the looks of it, the phone will come with a 5.5-inch screen, no notch, and a dual selfie cameras. Yeah guys, this is the first ever live look of the Google Pixel 3. Google is not big on the design changes. It looks like the phone will look a lot like the predecessor Pixel 2. The back will be aluminum from the bottom almost to the top, where it switches to glass for the single camera setup. The front will have mirrored earpiece and speaker in the forehead and chin, but the new thing is the dual camera setup on the front side. And also we have the screenshots. According to screenshots, both cameras will be 8 megapixel with aperture as low as f1.8. The images pack also comes with screenshots that reveal some key specs like 18:9 screen, a full HD plus resolution, and 440 dpi. The battery will be at least 2915 mAh capacity, but given the phone is at 94%, the power cell is most likely 3000 mAh. So the Pixel 3's battery is gonna be 3000 mAh. The leakster did not provide more screenshots, but the phone is most likely to have a Snapdragon 845 of chipset, 4GB of RAM, a 3.5mm audio jack is unlikely to return, but hey, at least you get Google earbuds in the retail box. Guys, I don't know what is wrong with the Google. Like, look at the notch of the Pixel 3 XL. It's so deep and thick, nobody likes it. Like, if you're making a notch, just made it like the OnePlus 6. This one has notch, but it looks very nice and gentle. But this notch, this is very deep and weird. And if we talk about the simple model, the Pixel 3, it looks nice, but it looks like the predecessor Pixel 2 XL or the Pixel 2. But overall, Pixel 3 looks good as compared to the Pixel 3 XL. So what's your thoughts on this? Please let me know in the comments down below, and thanks a lot for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.